how to send money or crypto from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So here's what we want to do. First, you will open up the Phantom Wallet app. Make sure you verify here, and we will just click on send. Now, after you have clicked on send, let's say that we want to transfer Bitcoin. Now, obviously, depending on the cryptocurrency you use, you will send a different crypto and a different amount of money, but basically I'll click on send BTC, and it's going to ask for the username or address of the recipient. So let's say we want to send it to our Coinbase. We'll just load up Coinbase here, and I'll just close this. Okay, so what you want to do is you will click on transfer. Now from the transfer option, you will see receive crypto or receive cash. No, receive crypto here, and if you then you will select the same currency which you have previously selected from Phantom Wallet, and it's going to show us this default. So I'll just do this, and it's going to give you the address, and after you have the address, you just put it back into the Phantom Wallet app, and then you can select the amount and transfer it over. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.